My morning starts to shine. Teardrops in my
Nakakahinga na po ako. Kasi grabe yung kaba ko talaga.
Ano pakiramdam overall after everything?
Nakakahinga na po ako. Kasi grabe yung kaba ko talaga. Tagal ko kasi hindi nagaganito na ako lang yung isa. I'm just so grateful na natapos ko yung show na okay naman. So, thank you so much po sa inyo for being here. Talagang na-appreciate ko po kayo. Sana ma-enjoy ko kayo. Oh, thank you.
Ano yung naramdaman mo ng standing ovation part? Ano yung kaninong idea yon nung kantahin yung sinabi mo, sorry yung title nun, yung mahirap na kanta na yun?
Ano po yun? Ay, yung How High the Moon. How High the Moon. Naku, ang tagal ko na po kasi yung pinapakinggan yun eh. Hindi ko masyadong kinakanta yun kasi hindi lahat nakaka-appreciate. Sobrang sarap ng pakiramdam na na-appreciate nyo yung audience tonight, yung song na yun. Kasi diba, usually pag mga jazz, ganyan, you don't really like that stuff. But I'm just so glad na lahat ng audience tonight, parang they love music and lahat ng genre. And I super appreciate that they enjoyed it. Na-enjoy mo ba yan? Kahit hindi nyo naiintindihan.
Yes,
salita.
at kami hindi ko na naiintindihan.
First time mo sa Samsung mag-perform? Or
First time ko
as
sa
performer? So, na-sold out mo. How was the feeling?
Siyempre masaya. Kasi nung una kinakabahan ako, tanong ako ng tanong, kamusta na yung ticket sales natin? Tanong ako ng tanong, parang, okay na, nag-sold out today. So I'm just really grateful. Kasi sa yung generation namin, ako, medyo realistically, mahirap na kaming makapagpupuno ng venue. And it's hard kasi yung time namin, I don't know, hindi na yung time namin, hindi na namin time ngayon, but I'm just happy na ang dami pa rin musicians out there who still wanna listen to us, ganyan. And I'm just really grateful kay Lord. Honestly, I'm just really grateful. Yun lang yung nararamdaman ko, pure gratitude.
Yung fans mo kasi nag-distribute ng signage.
I know, grabe
na-erase
sila.
daw sa hanggang...
Sobrang, I felt so loved. Grabe sila. You know, some of them, they flew from Dubai, some from Canada, from US. And I know hindi naman mahal ang pamasahe. And they only went here to watch my show. And it means so much to me. And I really appreciate that. And tonight, kahit medyo pagod na yung boses ko, I really wanted to give my all. Up to the very last, so I really pushed it hard. So I just hope na enjoy nila yung ginawa ko for them. And, I just really want to make them happy. Kasi you've been there for me for so many years and I owe it to them to give them my best.
During this concert, may na-flashback kasi na 25 years yung
Yes! Actually, ang dami ko pa palang kanta na hindi ko lang talaga kayang ilagay na dito sa concert. Napakarami ko po palang kanta, hindi ko na-realize how many songs I have. And I wish there's a part 2 or part 3 and I can sing the other songs kasi napakarami ko. Ano nga po ba yung tanong niyo?
may na-flashback ko sa'yo sa mga...
Oo, naalala ko
25 years
nung
sa
mga,
industry.
mga high school pa lang sila noon, mga high school na sinusundan ako sa mga mall shows, sa mga, usually dati, di ba, uso pa yung mga hard rock cafe, yung mga ganon, they would watch me sa mga ganon, in my concerts, pumipila sila to get my CD's autograph. Ganun, napa-flashback sa akin. Yung kasi wala nang ganun eh. So that's something I guess I enjoyed that time.
Grabe mo lang yung setlist kanina yung mga sobrang deep cuts na kahit yung mga super fan siguro hindi nila akalain o hindi expect na i-perform. Ano yung mga hardest, most difficult na omissions do you think?
Most difficult song?
Na omission. Yung mga
Hindi na natuloy.
mga hindi mo na dagdag sa setlist, ano yung pinaka-mahirap sa'yo, nahirapan kang alisin?
Actually, honestly, ang dami pa namin gusto isama talaga. Like yung Mahal Kita, Di Mo Pansin, yung mga ganon. Yung sa mga songs ko din sa ibang albums. Nahirapan ako.
Yeah.
Nahirapan ako talaga. But I wanted to include yung mga songs na personal favorites ko, like yung quiet songs.
Yeah.
I wanted to include it para heart lang. Yung that number, I wanted to give them just that heart.
Tapos ano kanina din, napansin ko din may yung dalawa sa mga compositions sa'yo ni Jamir from Slapshot. Kinanta mo kanina. So how close kayo, going back, how close kayo naging yung relationship niyo as friends and as peers in the business?
Honestly, before I was talking to him about him writing another song for me. We wanted to collaborate more. Kasi I like the sound that he makes. The songs that he made for me, those two songs, are actually two of my top favorite songs that I have recorded. Kasi ano siya talaga, R&B, and I love the groove. I wish he was here to see that. But he can't.
How was your collaboration with Direk John Franz?
Si Direk John naman, parang hindi mo kami nagkatrabaho. Ang gaang niyang katrabaho. Hindi siya mahirap katrabaho. Tapos parang he makes me look good on stage. And I really didn't worry about anything dito sa kasi I gave them my full trust because I really know I'm in good hands. Especially si Direk John. Galing pa siya ng Australia. As in, straight from the airport, he went here. And then while he was in Australia working, he was working on my concert as well. So I can only imagine how hard that is for him. And he's working there and he also needs to work. Like, think about what he would do for my concert. So I really appreciate that. He has to, actually he can just extend there kasi everyone else, they're still in Australia, but he flew back right away for the concert. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah, 12 years, memorable experience kanina na hindi mo na-expect na gano'n yung kakalabasan.
Yung nagtang sila, yung nilabas niya ng Cars, talaga ako, grabe, malala. Nagpigil lang ako kasi sabi ko, wait lang, bibirit ako dito. Hindi ako pwede umiyak ng bonggang-bongga. Sobra yun. Tsaka yung appreciation nila for How High the Moon. Kasi suntok sa buwan yun eh. Sabi ko talaga, kasi this is the kind of soundscape. I wanted to show them what I am as an artist. And I wanted to showcase that side of me. That, I'm not just R&B. I do jazz as well. And I wanted to show that to them. And iba yung appreciation that I felt. Then they nag-stand ovation sila. Kasi parang, oh my gosh, parang appreciate nila for the longest time. I never knew that they would like those kinds of songs. And for them to really appreciate it and mean so much to me. Now I can do a concert na puro gano'n. Jazz. Maybe that gives me encouragement to pursue that.
Last one question pa. Last 5 years and beyond. Ano yung gusto gawin kayo?
Ano ba yung gusto kong gawin? Kasi yung pangarap ko nung bata ako. Buhay pa ba si Quincy Jones? Is he still alive? Quincy Jones? Not anymore, di ba? He passed away. When I was a kid, I wanted to sell an kasi I was having a hard time. Sorry, malagna ako. I was having a hard time penetrating the music industry in the Philippines. And before I got my biggest break, I was saying, sabi ko, submit na lang kaya akong demo tape kay Quincy Jones. Kasi sabi ko, kung di ako ma-accept dito, maybe I'll be accepted somewhere else. That dream is still in my heart. And I still kind of want to pursue that. Even at my age, there's no limit naman. Why not? Maybe I can pursue that.
For sure, you can.
Congrats, Kayla!
Thank you. Ate Kayla,